Hello and welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we'll go through the content page and links, how to create the content page. Actually, what is the content page and what is links, how to manage links, we'll see, and we'll also see how to place an external links on the website. So let's get started. As you can see on the front store, the About Us is kind of a content page. This is also a content page, and same way the guidelines is also a different kind of content page. Now let us see how to create a content page. Now for example, let us take a case study that you want to give the information to your customers regarding the printing of directly onto the garment, which is called DTG printing. So for that you have created a Word document for this DTG printing, and you want to place this information on your website. So let us create a content page and then we will place a link on the website somewhere here. So for that you have to go to content management, click on content, and then to create a new page you have to click on add. You can definitely add it on this page. You can create an addition and create a link on this page, modify this page, but let us create a new URL. You will be giving as DTG printing. Page heading that you want to give, that is again I would like to give as DTG printing. Now what you want to display in here is this one. Just copy and paste it. You are copying and pasting, so you can make the changes with the help of this third-party editor. Whatever changes you want to make, you can make the changes on this using this third-party editor. You can definitely, as shown in the last video, you can definitely add an image to this. So let me just place this information for you. Now what is display? Let us keep it as default full HTML view. Everything is there, and just click on save and continue. Now we have created right now a content page. Now if I click on save and continue, it will land me on to the store personalization on link at the footer, where we will directly be creating a link for this page. So let me click on save and continue. So as soon as I save and continue, I will be landed on this header footer link, and now we are in the link menu and we will be creating a link. So again I will keep it as, give the name as DTG printing. What I have mentioned in my page is information about the DTG printing for my customers who are willing to have the printing on the garment directly. Now let me select the icon for the link. Now what are these icons? As you can see, this small icon over here, this what we are creating or what we are displaying on here. So you can select any of the suitable icon. We have given 16 pages for you to select any suitable icon that you like. You can select this one. If you have any file to upload for the icon, then you can upload. If you have any icon created, then you can upload. Now content page, this is the most important and critical part of creating a link. Now here by default DTG printing is selected, and right now we are on the content page. There are a lot of other pages also. When you select any other page from here, the options over here will change, and so does the display on the front store will also change accordingly. So let us first keep it as it is and move further. Now display method, that means you want to display this link before or after login, and when your customer clicks on this link, you want to open this link on the new window. Let us keep it short as one, and where you want to display this link. Right now we are creating the link on the header. No, I would like to have it on the top header. So let us have the top header, and when you change the position, this option has been changed. So again you need to go in there and select the appropriate link. Now I'll click on save. Now the link is created. Now let us go on to the front store and refresh the page and check it. Now as you can see, the DTG printing is displayed. Click when the customer will click on this link, it will open in the next window and it will display about the information of DTG printing. So you have seen how a page is created and how a link is created. There are two different things. If you want to change the position of the links, then you have to go to header footer links, and if you want to change the content of this page, then you have to go to content management, go to content, and then you have to search for this page DTG. It is here. So let us first go and change the content. Instead of this, DTG printing will change the text as DTG printing information. So here we'll go in here, go to content. As once again I would like to repeat, if you want to change the content of the page, then you have to go to content management, find the page, search the page and click on action and add it. Now here the printing is displayed. What I would like to have is DTG printing information. This is the content that I have changed. I'll click on save, and if I go onto the front store and refresh the page again, here my addition. So this is the changing of the content or editing of the content. Now suppose if I move this link from here to top header, from here to here, or to here to anywhere in the footer or on the sidebar, let us do that. So for changing the position of the link, we have to go to show personalization, header footer. So go here, search the link DTG, it will be there. Right now the position is top header and we want to move it on the footer side or anywhere. I'll move it on the footer side. As soon as again I change the position, the link will go away. You have to go in and select the link again. Click on save. And so from now the link will be displayed on the footer side. From here it has gone and it will display it here in the footer side. So again when you click, it will open in the next window. So we have seen two things, that how to change the content and how to change the position of the link. Now again, one important aspect we will discuss it here. Now let us understand a few important things. Right now the link is at the footer, and when I click on this link, it will open in the new tab and it will display this. Now if I change something in over here, the whole output will change. So let us go and check. I am changing the position from footer to header. So the link changes, and by mistake, instead of selecting this content page of DTH, I have selected other links such as sitemap and click on save. So when I go onto the front store and refresh the page, the DTH printing is here, but when I click on this, it will open in the new window, but it will display the sitemap. Why? Because we have selected this sitemap over here. The DTH printing heading is fine, but the content that we have selected is a sitemap, not the DTH. Same way, if you go onto the static pages and the list of static page will appear. So that means when you change the content, the list of appearance will change. When you change the group category, it will display accordingly, and when you change the static page, it will display the pages accordingly. So if I go onto the static page and select the product price list and click on save. So if I go onto the front store now and refresh the page and click on the DTG printing, it will display me the product price list and not the information of DTG printing. So this is very significant that you select whatever you want and select appropriate option from here. Suppose for example, if you select any of the product, any of the option from here, and that will display on the website, irrespective of whatever you have displayed it on here. So the content page will not matter, it will matter the link that you have selected over here. So let us go now and check how you can place an external link. For example, this is BTG printing. Instead of BTG printing, we can name it now as instead of BTG printing information, we can click on external link and place the external link. And suppose I have another website which is there and I want to place it the link over there. So when someone clicks on BTG printing, it will display the OnPrintShop website and not the BTG printing information. So you can save here, and when I go onto the front store and refresh the page and click on BTG printing, it will open in another window and it will open the OnPrintShop website. It is open on another window and OnPrintShop website has been open. So you can change the heading as our main website and you click on save. Now if you go onto the front store, refresh the page, you have our main website heading, and you can click on here and see it is opening on the top website. So this was the main maintenance and the management of the content page and the links. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye.